we are the voice of the 1LAWDGAD, and I say what? Jamaican life abroad. You know what 1LAWDGAD represent for that from yard and abroad. So make sure to check out that channel. No, but
alright then. So LAWDGAD, what's exactly going on for you? Because I see you making a storm in the business.
Yeah.
Talk to the people and make them know.
This is happening. Look here, a Birmingham this and a full place. And we are dealing with it the right way. The youths, them we are incorporate the dancer them and everything. You don't know our performance is different from anybody else. 1LAWDGAD I represent.
Okay, so I know you've been in it for a while. I'm gonna even let you in on something. I know you as a footballer. Remember that? So brother, what made you give up the football to take up the music
So
business?
me I said football, sometimes you have multi-talent. Football was working at the time. You don't know music in my blood. You don't know my mother used to do it. So me take on the tune now and me I carry the tune. You see?
Okay. Is there any message you could give? Just one thing, not telling you to tell a man to do this or do that, but is there any message for the youth them as a younger yourself?
Yeah.
Say something, bro.
Believe in your talent, youths, and work hard. That's what me I do. Believe in your talent, work hard, sacrifice. You have to make a sacrifice. And that's with work ethic. That's what me do, you see?
Alright folks, that's LAWDGAD. This is Jamaican Life Abroad TV. We're out.